Sawblade.com has partnered with Morse to make it easier to order quality, American-made Portaband blades. Enhance the performance of your Milwaukee M12 with the Morse 811 TPI Portaband blade. This blade will reduce tooth stripping and produce great results in cutting a variety of material. The 27 and 3/16 inch Portaband blade will fit the Milwaukee M12 and will excel in cutting materials a 1/4 inch and thicker. The 811 TPI blade can cut prime applications such as a Schedule 40 2-inch pipe, rigid conduit for electrical, strut, and threaded rod. The teeth of the 811 TPI blade are designed with a large backer so that it withstands the high impact and stress of going in and out of materials. This tooth design also helps improve blade life and leaves a clean, workable finish. This American-made blade is engineered to reduce problematic vibrations that strip teeth and cause blade chatter. At Sawblade.com, we manufacture quality American bandsaw blades that are made to order and offer an extensive line of sawing products. We also sell circular blades, coolant, machines, and aftermarket parts, so you can think of us as your one-stop shop for all your cutting needs. Thanks for watching, and please also check out Sawblade.tv, where you can find in-depth videos, product overviews, and tech tips to take your cutting game to the next level. I'm Celeste, Product Specialist at Sawblade.com, and remember, no middleman, no markup, no problem. Go direct.